How to acknowledge your performance plan. Please note, you shouldn't complete this step until after you've met with your supervisor to discuss your performance plan. From your employee portal, click Acknowledge Performance Plan. This will bring you to your completed performance plan for this cycle. Your name should be near the top of the screen, followed by instructions in light blue. Scroll through the performance plan, being sure to look at the weights for each goal. You also want to check out your individual goals and your talent development plan. Keep in mind that you'll have access to your performance plan throughout the year. This is not the only time you'll be able to see it. Once you've reached the bottom of the page, you may choose to leave comments in the comments box. This is optional. Then click Acknowledge. This will let your supervisor know that you have seen your performance plan for the year. And that's it. For more tutorials on using full cycle performance on People Admin, click the links below. Don't forget to visit our website for additional tools and resources.